Hello everyone, let's dive into the EPOMAKER Tide65, a keyboard that's making waves in the custom mechanical keyboard scene. EPOMAKER has been listening to the community, and the Tide series is their answer to the call for more affordable, high-quality aluminum keyboards. This 65% layout board aims to deliver a premium experience without breaking the bank. The first thing you'll notice is the solid aluminum construction. The review unit came in the blue electrophoretic finish, which looks fantastic. It feels incredibly durable and adds a significant amount of heft to the keyboard. For those who prefer a darker aesthetic, it's also available in black and purple anodized finishes. The mirror PVD back piece, featuring the EPOMAKER logo, is a nice touch. It's a subtle detail that shows EPOMAKER's commitment to quality, even in areas you don't see while typing. One of the standout features of the Tide65 is its QMK VIA compatibility. This opens up a world of customization options. You can remap keys, create macros, and fine-tune the keyboard to perfectly match your workflow or gaming style. The hot-swappable PCB is another huge plus. It allows you to easily swap out the switches without any soldering, making it simple to experiment with different switch types and find your ideal typing feel. The unit came with EPOMAKER's lemon switches, which are smooth and provide a satisfying tactile bump. The FR4 plate contributes to a consistent and enjoyable typing experience. The keyboard also offers versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C. This makes it easy to use with a variety of devices, from laptops and PCs to tablets and gaming consoles. The EPOMAKER Tide65 is a compelling option for anyone looking for an affordable, high-quality aluminum mechanical keyboard. Its solid construction, extensive customization options, and versatile connectivity make it a great choice for both gamers and typists alike. While the back piece isn't visible during use, it exemplifies the attention to detail EPOMAKER has put into this board. If you're in the market for a new keyboard, the Tide65 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.